Under the arms, Celeste. Under the arms.
Show me that one.
Okay.
It's funny because you know her face like this. Wait, is this side of her lips? It's all down. It's all straight.
I know karate! No, I'm sorry! Oh, wait, hold on. I have an idea. Let me get my arm under your neck.
No.
They hate each other.
You trapped! No! Mom! Please don't let him do this!